Presenting a pre-owned 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 91,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger.